Konnichiwa, minasan. Hello, everyone. Today, I went to see fireworks, Hanabi, to some park alone. Yeah, alone. Yeah. As ordinary, as usual. Yeah, it's not unusual. So anyway, I went there alone to see Hanabi, fireworks. Yeah, and I made, of course, videos there with this iPhone 4. So please check it. And yeah, some information about Hanabi. So let's call it Hanabi, not fireworks. So Hanabi is okay. So I think you see Hanabi maybe in Disneyland or so many places, but Hanabi is not a celebration, but Hanabi is really a view, ordinary, typical view of summer, which we call Natsu no Fubutsushi. Fubutsushi is a word that means something that reminds you of some certain thing. For example, watermelon. You have watermelon, suika, and we say, I think, this is really Fubutsushi of Natsu. So Natsu no Fubutsushi. Watermelon is Natsu no Fubutsushi. Or furin, if you know furin is stuff that you hang on, like at your windows, and if it rains, it sounds like ching 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 ching. Yeah, basically it has some kind of string and it has some paper on it. Not always paper, but some kind of metal, maybe. But it catches winds and sounds like ching 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 ching. Yeah, it's really great. It's really nice. I like it. Anyway, the topic is Hanabi. So Hanabi is really, as I'm saying, Natsu no Fubutsushi. Fubutsushi of summer. So it's not really celebration, but every summer and at many places in Japan, we have Hanabi Taikai, Hanabi events, and today I went one of them, July 31. We at least have had 3 today in Sumida-ku at Sumida River, which is far away from my house, east, far away. This is Tokyo, and my house is around here, and Tokyo is here, even though this is the same prefecture, same city. So my city is a small Hachiouji, and this here is Sumida-ku. Oh, so this has a history of 250 years. Sumida River Hanabi Taikai, Sumidagawa Hanabi Taikai. So I wanted to go there because I've never been there. Even though I can see it on TV, but it's not real, And I wanted to go there because they have it today, July 31. But we also had where I visited today, and also at Tachikawa. Tachikawa is, I think, 3 or 4 from Hachiouji Station, so it is not so far away. So I could have been there, but I went at last Hachiouji Hanabi Taikai, because it doesn't take much time. So anyway, I went there, and Hanabi is not a celebration. Basically, I think it used to be a celebration, or maybe some religional event, but I think it's not now. So of course in Japan also Disneyland have it, Universal Studio Japan has it, and as it is Fubutsushi of summer in Japan, everywhere. Many places in Japan have it. So I went one of them. And yeah, please enjoy. So today, to see Hanabi fireworks, I'm here to Fujimori Koen, Fujimori Park, alone. Yeah. Actually, I wanted to go Sumida River to see Sumidagawa Hanabi Taikai. But you know, Sumidagawa Hanabi Taikai is really popular, and there will be a lot of people, about 1 million. So, and it takes over one hour to get there. So I decided to come to this Hachiouji Hanabi Taikai, because Hachiouji is the city where I live. And now it's 5 to 7. So it starts at 7:05. So I'm heading to the trucks. So, later. So, on days like today, there'll be many stores on streets. This is an example. You can buy beer, frankfurt, sausages, and of course, drinks. And this is a omen shop mask, which is made by plastic. I personally don't come to Matsuri because I don't like crowded place. This is takoyaki. Oh. So it's the start of Hanabi Taikai. Let's go, let's get there. In fact, this track is very memorable place for me because when I was in high school and I was a member of track and field club, and we often use this track. It's been a while. I came here last time. It started. So apparently there are many people around here. Yeah.